UNBOX Nation, do you have a whole bunch of devices that you use every day that you need to constantly charge, and you're looking for a simple solution to charge at least like 2 or 3 at a time? Then I think I got what you need right here. This wireless charger pad from Samsung. So if you're interested in that, you might want to stay tuned and check out this video. All right? Yo, Skippy, roll that intro. Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for Loose Cruising Views, back again another video. But you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all that business and politicking out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Go ahead and subscribe. All right, now that we got all that business and politicking out of the way, let's get to the video. Yo, UNBOX Nation, it's your man Mark, back again with another video. And today we're going to be taking a look at a wireless charging pad from Samsung, all right? But before we get started, can you do me a favor? Can you go down there and hit that subscribe button? It really helps the channel. It helps me get new products like this to showcase on the channel. All right, we got that out of the way. Whew. Yeah, today we're going to be taking a look at the Samsung Trio wireless charger, all right? So I know it's been out for a minute. It's been out for a long while, but when it first came out, this price stayed at a crazy price. I think it was like $80-something. I'm like, this don't make no sense. But I caught it on a good deal, so I'm like, it was like way cheaper than that, probably about 25% cheaper than that. So I'm like, man, I'll go ahead and grab it now. So basically, it's a charge like your Android devices or whatever. I'm not sure if it does Apple. I don't have an Apple phone yet, but we were planning on getting one. Apple, look out for me. Anyway, we got this. It's the Trio. Then they have one. I have the other one. The other one they call it the convertible one, and it flips up and flips down. And it stays flat. But I needed something to charge my watch, and my buds, and my phone at the same time. And it's something small and compact. So that's why I decided to get this. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what we're working with. All right. Let's see here. Let's get to the top down. Let's see where did I put my, okay, here we go. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Like you see here, but it basically it's telling you it charges all your little devices 3-in-1. All right, got your little Samsung logo on here. Shows in the picture again. And this stuff right here, you can pause and read it for yourself. Not sure, it says 9-watt capable fast charging. Samsung devices up to 7.5 watt, okay. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Enough talking, let's get this bad boy out of the package. All right, got that side, got this side. Let's go ahead and put this up before we done cut something up. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing out of here. See here. All right. Let's toss this box aside because we don't need that box right now. All right, you got the main event right here. Let's go ahead and take it out. All right, let's put it to the side for a minute. You get your charging brick, which a lot of companies are leaving out of everything nowadays, but you got your little charging brick right here. All right, and it says super fast charge. Okay, are you seeing this? It says super fast charge. All right, let's put that to the side. Got your little instruction booklet and got your little cord, your charging cord. Let's go ahead and see if we can get this out without tearing everything up. All right, there we go. We're getting it out. All right. And I don't think there's nothing else in the box. Nope, nothing else in the box. So we're gonna toss that box to the side. Don't need that box. And let's take a look at it. Okay. Let's see here. Let's peel this off. So satisfying. Anyway, new stuff. All right. You got your little information right here. Got your little rubber, stoppers on the bottom, so keep it from sliding all over your desk. And you got this your USB-C charging slot right here. So we go ahead and put it on right here, and voila, there you go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and find me some power around here, so I can go ahead and plug this bad boy up and see what we're working with. Hold tight. All right. I found a power source. And I got it plugged up and everything. So let's go ahead and test this out. Let's go ahead and see if this is going to be able to save some space, some outlets for me for other devices. All right. So I got my phone here, got my buds, Samsung buds, and I got the Samsung watch. All right. Note 20 Ultra. All right. So let's go ahead and let's test the phone first. Let me wipe it off a little bit. Should have did that before. Let's put it down here. Okay. And it's fast charging. You see that? It's fast charging. All right. So let's see if it's going to charge the buds. And you notice when you put stuff on there and it's actually charging, you have a LED right here just indicating charging. I don't know if you guys can see that. Bring it a little closer where you can see that little red light, little LED right here. All right. So I guess I got to put this on the sweet spot. All right. There we go. We're on the sweet spot and it's charging. You see the second LED lit up. All right. I'll bring it a little closer so you can see the second LED lit up. All right. So let's see if we can do the watch. All right. And the watch, on the first try. What? So it's fast charge. So it's charging all my devices all at one time. As you can see, it's coming on. It's showing it's charging. Wow. Ooh wee. It must be lunchtime. Whoa, stomach going crazy. Anyway, let me test one thing out. If it's charging these two right here, is it still charging the phone, doing a fast charge on the phone? So let's see if it still is fast charge when you have all three devices on here. So I'm gonna take it off. All right. And let's go ahead and try it again. Get it on the sweet spot. Yep, it's fast charging. You know it has two other devices on there. It showed fast charge. I don't know if you saw that real quick. Try it one more time. Take it off. Put it back on. Get it back in sweet spot. Now I was doing it. Okay. Oh, there it is. Fast charge. Fast charge. So yeah, this is neat right here. This would be perfect. It's slim, small to take with you. You know, if you want throw it in your backpack, you're going on vacation, you're traveling. This would be something that I would take with me everywhere because this is something, it doesn't take up much space. You got your one little cord, and when you get in them hotels or different places you're going and don't have enough outlets for your devices, this solves that problem right here for for your cell phone, your buds, anything that does wireless charging like your cell phone, the buds, and you got a Samsung watch, it worked. Right, so this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. Do I think it was worth the $80 that they was charging when it first came out? No. I don't think it was worth that. I don't think it was worth that. But I think it's pretty cool. But time will tell how long it holds up and everything. So this is pretty cool. And also, look at this right here. I just noticed this little, it's showing like how you put it on your charger. You got the little picture of your, I don't know if you guys are getting that. Got a little picture of a phone and a buds, and then you got your little symbol for a watch. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right. Let's go back up top. But yeah, I think this is something you should have. If you're a Samsung, if you have Samsung devices, then I think this would be something pretty cool to have with you. Save some space on your outlets. You use one outlet to charge three products at one time. Man, too easy. But I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you can get more detailed information. If it's something I forgot or whatever, didn't mention or whatever, click on the link down in the description box and get more detailed information. All right. And I appreciate everybody taking that time to check out the video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell to be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell that friend, tell a friend to subscribe. All right? I really appreciate it. It helps me to bring new products like this to showcase on the channel. All right? Treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right? All right. Let's see here. The message for today. Oh, I got the message for today. Think about the consequences of your actions before you do something. Before you go out and do something, think first. Think about the consequences. Are you willing to deal with the consequences of your actions? Then if you're okay with it, roll with it. But if you unsure about it, and if you're unsure about how it's going to affect others, you might want to do a little bit more deep thinking and try to figure out if you should or should not. So a lot of people nowadays, they just do stuff without thinking. They don't even think about the consequences. They don't think about how it's going to affect everybody else around them. They just do stuff, and then everybody else is paying the consequences for their actions. So the message for today is think about the consequences of your actions before you do anything, all right? Alright, this is your main man Mark for Loose Screws Reviews. Drop the mic, and I'm out. Peace. Man, this was a short video. Wow. Shortest I've ever done.